The Philippines is a rice-dependent nation, with the recent data from the Philippine Statistics Authority reporting that a Filipino consumes an average of 109.874 kilograms of rice in a year. That roughly translates to an annual consumption of 12.5 million metric tons of rice, which is about as heavy as two Great Pyramid of Gizas. However, the Philippines alone cannot supply this demand for rice. As such, it imports from its neighboring Southeast Asian countries, Thailand and Vietnam. For 2019, it is estimated that the Philippines will import 1.2 million metric tons of rice. For it to be rice sufficient, the Philippines must increase its local rice production. Thus, the Philippine government is finding ways to integrate innovative technology like rice drones into rice farming. A variety of applications can be done by mounting different types of equipment on drones. An example is thermal imaging. Multispectral sensors can identify which plants reflect different amounts of green light and NIR light. This information generates multispectral images that trace changes in plants and reveals their health. In turn, instead of applying the same amount across the entire field, a farmer can precisely apply water, fertilizers, or pesticides in specific areas where they are needed. Another example is crop spraying, which is a job with a very narrow margin for error. A tiny droplet, which is 100 microns in diameter, takes 11 seconds to fall 10 feet. At 50 microns, it takes 40 seconds to fall that far because of the air drag. That's sufficient time for a wind current to move a droplet to an unintended target. 1 to 2 feet above the crop canopy will usually have little drift, but at 3 feet, the drift distance goes up significantly. When drones are equipped with lasers and ultrasonic echoing technology, a higher precision when spraying is achieved. Consequently, overspray risk is reduced, and farmers end up saving on the amount of chemical applied. In addition, spray drones are about 5 times faster than traditional spray methods. Lastly, with 3D mapping technology on board, drones collect information on critical factors, such as field geography and soil composition. These information are helpful in the early stages of the planting process, so that farmers can adjust seed planting patterns. In May 2018, the Department of Agriculture piloted a project for drone-assisted farming in Benguet. The drones were manufactured by a Japanese firm and can spray 1 hectare of land in under 10 minutes. The drones can easily navigate difficult terrain, so using them in mountain slopes for farming is very ideal. To encourage local farmers to adopt this technology, the Department of Agriculture is also sponsoring the payment of service fees for the first 5,000 hectares of farmlands in the region that will make use of the drones.